सा गा मा धा नि धा सा सा नि धा म प धा म ग रे सा. Today I am going to sing a few songs about rains. In Indian culture, there are Sawan, Bhado, Ashad as months of rainy season, and generally we refer to Sawan Bhado as the rainy season. Rainy season, it is the seasons of emotions, feelings, pangs of separation from the beloved, and the desire to meet your beloved. I will take Kalidasa's Meghdutam as basis and link them to the Bollywood songs. Meghdutam is a poem by the 5th century Sanskrit poet Kalidasa. The story goes like this. There is a Yaksha in Alka Nagari in the Himalayas. He has been exiled from his home. At Ramgiri, the exiled Yaksha sees a cloud heading towards north. He begs it to take his message to his wife. Now we will accompany the cloud in its journey and the message.
So one of the cities that the cloud will see on the way is Ujjaini. And here is a stanza about the cloud. Here's a stanza that the cloud will see at Ujjaini, and I'll read a passage from the poem. Obviously, this is in English. At daybreak in Ujjaini, Shipra's cool breeze, scented with the fragrance of lotuses, comes prolonging the piercing cries of love-maddened Saras cranes. Refreshing to the tired limbs of women after passion's ecstatic play, it removes their languor like an artful lover, plying his love with amorous entreaties. In this cool breeze, amongst the lotuses, the love-making men and women, we can almost imagine a couple singing this.
सावन का महीना पवन करी सो सावन का महीना पवन करी सोर अरे जियरा रे झूमे ऐसी जैसी बनमाना ची मोर सावन का महीना पवन करी सोर जियरा रे झूमे ऐसी जैसी बनमाना ची मोर रामा गजब ढाई ये पुरवैया नैया संभालो किते खोई हो खेवैया पुरवैया के आगे चले ना कोई जोर अरे पुरवैया के आगे चले ना कोई जोर जियरा रे झूमे ऐसी जैसी बनमाना चे मोर सावन का महीना पवन करे सोर जियरा रे झूमे ऐसी जैसी बनमाना चे मोर मौजवा करे क्या जाने हमको इशारा जाना कहाँ है पूछे नदिया की धारा मर्जी है तुम्हारी ले जाओ जिस ओर मर्जी है तुम्हारी ले जाओ जिस ओर जियरा रे झूमे ऐसी जैसी बनमाना ची मोर सावन का महीना पवन करे सो जियरा रे झूमे ऐसी जैसी बनमाना ची मोर.
So we continue the journey of the cloud, and here is a little more description about Ujjaini, where the cloud is, and it's going from Ramgiri to Alka Nagari. So on the way it sees Ujjaini, and here's a little more description about Ujjaini. Philandering husbands come home at sunrise, calling on to comfort their anguished wives by drying the welling tears of betrayal. Therefore, move quickly out of the sun's path, he too returns at dawn to the lotus pool, to dry the dew tears on her lotus face. He would not be a little incensed that you obstruct his bright ray fingers. So, seeing the clouds, we can imagine a young woman singing in her garden.
सावन के झोले पड़े, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ। आंचल न छोड़े मेरा, पागल हुई रे पवन, पवन आंचल न छोड़े मेरा, पागल हुई रे पवन। अब क्या करूं मैं जतन, धड़के जिया जैसे पंछी उड़े, सावन के झूले पड़े, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ। दिल ने पुकारा तुम्हें, यादों के परदेस से, हाँ दिल ने पुकारा तुम्हें, यादों के परदेस से। आती है जो देश से, हम उस डगर पे हैं कब से खड़े, सावन के झूले पड़े, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ, तुम चले आओ।
Eventually, the Yaksha tells the cloud, you will reach Alkanagri, where the Yaksha's beloved, of course, is. And how will the cloud recognize Alkanagri? So I'll read a passage. Where palaces with their cloud-kissing tops equal you in loftiness, and their gem-paved floors rival the glitter of your glistening raindrops, where paintings on the walls vie with your rainbow hues, and graceful movements of lovely women rival the lightning's play, where drums beaten to the sound of music resemble your thunder, mellow, deep-throated, and in each particular more than compare with you. In this happy city, we imagine the maidens looking at the clouds and breaking into this song.
नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली सी चमके हाय, ऐसे में बलम मोहे गरेवा लगा ले। नैनों में बदरा छाए, में डूबी अखियां, चंचल है दोनों सखियां, झलती रहेंगी तो है पलकों की प्यारी पखियां, शर्मा के देंगी तो है मदिरा के प्याले, नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली सी चमके हाय, ऐसे में बलम मोहे गरबा लगा ले, नैनों में बदरा छाए, प्रेम दीवानी हूँ मैं, सपनों की रानी हूँ मैं, पिछले जन्म से तेरी प्रेम कहानी हूँ मैं, इस जन्म में भी तू अपना बना ले, नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली सी चमके हाय, ऐसे में बलम मोहे गरबा लगा ले, नैनों में बदरा छाए.
So Alkanagri is the place where yakshas accompanied by highborn ladies resort to their palace terraces paved with precious gems, star flower mirroring, to partake of passion kindling flower wines pressed from the trees of paradise. While drumheads softly struck, throbbed deep throated tones like yours. Here on the palace terraces, we imagine happy maidens singing happy songs.
ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस की फुहार लाई, अखियों में प्यार लाई, ओ सजना तुमको पुकारे मेरे मन का पपीहरा, तुमको पुकारे मेरे मन का पपीहरा, मीठी मीठी अग्नि में जले मोरा जियरा, ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस की फुहार लाई, अखियों में प्यार लाई, ओ सजना ऐसी रिमझिम में ओ सजन, प्यासी प्यासी मेरे नयन, तेरे बिन ख्वाब में खो गए, ऐसी रिमझिम में ओ सजन, प्यासी प्यासी मेरे नयन, तेरे बिन ख्वाब में खो गए, सावली सलोनी घटा जब जब छाए, सावली सलोनी घटा जब जब छाए, अखियों में रहना गई, नींदिया ना आई, ओ सजना बरखा बहार आई, रस की फुहार लाई, आँखियों में प्यार लाई, ओ सजना.
The Yaksha then describes what condition he might find his wife in. Or Clad in a drab garment, she may place the lute on her lap, wishing to sing a melody set to words signifying my name. Succeeding somehow in tuning the strings wet with her tears, O gentle friend, she forgets again and again the sequence of notes, even though she composed it herself. She, we can imagine, looks at the cloud and asks,
कहाँ से आई बदरा, घुलता जाए कजरा, कहाँ से आयो बदरा, घुलता जाए कजरा, कहाँ से आयो बदरा, ओ पलकों के सत रंगे दीपक, पलकों के सत रंगे दीपक, बने बैठे आंसू की झालर, बने बैठे आंसू की झालर, मोती का अनमोल हीरा मिट्टी में जा फिसला, कहाँ से आयो बदरा, घुलता जाए कजरा, कहाँ से आयो बदरा, ओ नींद पिया के संग सिधारी, नींद पिया के संग सिधारी, सपनों की सूखी फूलवारी, सपनों की सूखी फूलवारी, अमृत होठों तक आते ही जैसे विष में बदला, कहाँ से आयो बदरा, घुलता जाए कजरा, कहाँ से आयो बदरा.
The Yaksha then describes what message is to be conveyed. The message ends like this: but no more of me. Reflecting deeply, I bear up, drawing on my own inner strength. You too, lady, most blessed, should resist falling into this utter dejection. Whom does happiness always attend, or misery always befall? Man's state on earth is like the rim of a wheel, going down and comes up again. Hearing this, the lady is heartened and she sings,
फिर से आई हो बदरा विदेशी, तेरे पंखों पे मोती जड़ूंगी, फिर से आई हो बदरा विदेशी, तेरे पंखों पे मोती जड़ूंगी, तुझे मेरे काले कमली वाले की सौ, हो तुझे मेरे काले कमली वाले की सौ, भर के जाइयो हमारी तलैया, मैं तलैया के नारे मिलूंगी, वाले की सौ, हो तुझे मेरे काले कमली वाले की सौ, तेरे जाने की रुत मैं जानती हूँ, मुड़ के आने की रीत है कि नहीं, काली दरगाह से पूछूंगी जाके, तेरे मन में भी प्रीत है कि नहीं, कच्ची पुलिया से होके गुजरियो, कच्ची पुलिया के नारे मिलूंगी, तुझे मेरे काली कमली वाले की सौ, हो तुझे मेरे काले कमली वाले की सौ, तू जो रुक जाए मेरी अटरिया, मैं अटरिया पे झालर लगा दूं, डालू चार ताबीज गले में, अपने काजल से मैं बिंदिया लगा दूं, छू के जाइयो हमारे बगीचे, मैं पीपल के आड़े मिलूंगी, तुझे मेरे काले कमली वाले की सौ, हो तुझे मेरे काले कमली वाले की सौ. सारे मा प ध नि सा, सा नि ध प म ग रे सा, सा नि ध नि रे सा, सा नि ध प म प ध नि रे सा, सा रे म प ध प म प ग रे सा, रे म प म प ध नि ध प म प ग रे सा, सा रे म रे म प म प ध नि सा, सा नि ध प म प ध प म ग रे सा, ध नि सा, ध नि रे सा. So we close now with this aloud.
वाह वाह वाह,
Amazing.
बहुत अच्छे.
Wow. Loved it. What a treat.
I thought it's gonna continue for another hour or so.
We could have a bigger session actually.
Loved it. It was so refreshing. Can't tell you. Oh my God.
We've been getting a lot of, responses, I think, about nostalgia, reminding of gramophone times, the kind of music that we used to listen back in, probably 70s, 80s, over the period, all of these many years. I think there is a question for Abha from Tosif. Have you tried playback singing is what Tosif asks.
Is that a joke? There are many Abhas,
Right. So yeah, it was absolutely amazing. Thank you. I think it's refreshing and absolutely, it takes you away through a journey of different times. And I think along with story narration, it was absolutely blissful. Any questions from anybody else? Anything else that you have to share Girish as well is amongst his favorite set of, music that he's probably heard. So thank you so much. I think that's absolutely wonderful and very, very different from the usual sessions that we've had all this while so far. So thank you everybody for joining in today. Anything, Nimish, that you want to share or Abha that you want to say before we close it out?
Do we have time? So anybody else, those who are
How
interested-
long since you've been practicing, or I mean, do you practice this like every weekend?
I didn't get
don't know.
that. You just, to be very frank, we just wrote the songs and I knew the songs because I have been hearing it since my childhood.
Viral, she's a genius. It came naturally.
So he also didn't practice and I also didn't practice.
Yeah, there are two naturals there. They don't need to practice.
They have not practiced at all.
Just comes out.
I have a question to my post.
When are we going to get to hear from you, Babla? Oh, I'm sorry, Gaurav, go ahead.
Yeah. So, Abha, I just wanted to know that, if somebody has a bad voice, like me, will practice make a little bit of difference, in singing? I mean, you understand the story, even if the voice is bad, you can still sing.
Nimish never used to sing, and then he got introduced to singing. And he, of course, he has started singing, so he can sing.
We
No, so he can sing. He can give me company, and of course, because you have to understand.
हाँ मैं चोरस जरूर कर सकता हूँ हाँ
So, Abha, are you saying he got introduced to you and then he started singing?
No, he got.
I started listening after that, yeah.
See, I got introduced to painting through Nimish, and he got singing.
So I was suggesting maybe the next time Nimish actually paints, and there is this song behind it which you sing and he paints. Session. Yeah,
That's an idea for another video, Tanya.
absolutely.
I think here, Babla, you should sing one song about
Yeah.
about
That's
rains.
what I was going to say. That if we have time, 2 minutes.
मैं सिर्फ मसाले गाना गाता हूँ.
नहीं तो कोई तो गाना
वही
आता
तो
होगा.
गाना किशोर कुमार.
मेघ दूतम नहीं होता है ना, वो किशोर
बाबला,
कुमार.
रेन का गाना कौन सा मसाला नहीं होता है बाबला? कोई भी रेन का गाना ले लो, मसाला ही होता है उसमें.
वो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, आभा ने उसको
बाबला-
थोड़ा कम से कम डिग्निटी दे दिया.
Oh yeah, Babla, yeah. Niti has a suggestion. I think you sing this song, Rim Jim Gire Savan. You can sing this one.
I'll do that. Okay. रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन, जब घुंघरुओं की बजती है बूंदे, अरमा हमारे पल के नमूंदे, देखे कैसे सपने नयन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन. Thank you.
Wow.
Nice.
One day we should.
Thank you, Babla.
Thank you, Niti, for prompting. मुझे सिर्फ मसाले गाने याद आ रहे थे.
That's why I quickly picked up Niti's too.
Before I start on the masala one, right?
मेरा भी वही सजेशन था बाबला. मैं भी वही बोल रही थी निमिष से कि किशोर कुमार का गाया हुआ है रिम झिम गिरे सावन, वो बाबला गा सकते हैं.
But निमिष को नहीं सुना.
वो अगली बार.
कुछ तो रहना चाहिए ना next time के लिए.
We want to see how much is the training there.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
How much training helped?
On job training बोल रहे हो ना गौरव आप?
On the job training.
अरे
Yes.
वो ऑफिस में मिलोगे तो बात करेंगे.
Yeah, but Abha, what a treat it was. I mean,
Yeah.
you're such a trained voice. So, how many hours do you practice?
That Nimish will tell you. He always scolds me. He says that you never practice, you have talent but no practice. So,
Oh,
so
it
that
seems
is-
like you do a lot of riyaz.
No, I don't.
Not natural. Great. Okay, so Shubham, Yeah,
Yes.
maybe include and
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Babla. I think people stole what I was actually looking for. So thank you so much, Abha and Nimish, along with Babla. It was a fantastic session. And thank you all the audience for staying with us, and hope you have a wonderful long weekend, whoever has a off tomorrow, and happy Gandhi Jayanti to everyone.
we meet on BRICS. And Abha, you are invited. Do join us on our annual event.
Yeah, it's going to
Everybody with their families will be meeting on BRICS.
All right.
Absolutely.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Abba. Thank you, Nimesh. Thank you,
Thanks,
Baba.
everyone. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
everybody.
Bye-bye.